Hello kids, this is your mentor Neetu. We are doing chapter 8 Geometrical Shapes of class 3. So let's start. So get started. Some figures you can see, beautiful figures given over here. Identify the solid figures. The A part you can see it's a cylinder, B part it's a sphere, and C it's a cube, D it's a cone. So you will get it more clear by doing this chapter. So let's see more about 2D shapes. 2D means two-dimensional. So a two-dimensional shape shows length and breadth or width. Let us learn more about them. Edge. What's the meaning of edge? Means side. The side of a shape is called an edge. Corner or vertex. The point where two edges meet is called the corner or vertex. The plural of vertex is vertices, right? So edge means side and corner or vertex means where two sides meet. Okay. So you can see some figures given over here, like the first one, it's a four-sided figure. You can see four edges and four vertices. Okay, four corners. You can see the second one. It's a triangle, three edges or three sides and three vertex or corners. You can see this one also four-sided again. So how many edges? Four edges and four vertices, right? So now see next. Now we are talking about properties of 2D shapes. Now the first one is a triangle. You know very well about triangle? Okay, it would be more clear to you. Let's see. Let's start. This is three-sided figure. So it is said to be a triangle. A triangle has three sides or three edges. Its sides may or may not be equal. It has three corners or three vertices. Now see this, the second one, it's a rectangle, four-sided figure. It has four edges or four sides and four corners. Okay. And now the next one, it's a square. Now see the second one, it's a rectangle. Like you can see, this screen is a rectangular shape or tabletop, rectangular shape, or top of the book. You can see it's a rectangle. So rectangle has also four sides and four corners. In rectangle में क्या होता है? Opposite sides are same. Okay. Now see the next one is a square. Square means this is also four-sided figure, but all the sides are equal. All the sides are same, and it has four sides and four corners or four vertices. Okay. Now the next is a circle. You have seen a circle. So circle has no side and no corner or no vertex. So it has no side, no corner. And now this is oval shape, and oval has no side and no corner like circle. Okay, I hope it's clear to you. Now exercise 8.1, question number 1. How many sides does each of the following figures have? Like A, square has four sides. B, rectangle, four sides. C, triangle has three sides. D, circle, no side. E part, oval, no side. Okay. Now second one, which of the above two shapes have no sides and no corner? Circle and oval. Okay. Now the third question, write the shape you will get if you trace the outside of your A part bangles. तो आपने bangle बनाई है, bangle draw की है, तो which type of figure you will get? It would be a circle. Okay. Like B part sandwich, आपने sandwich draw किया है, you have seen sandwich, its shape is a square shape. Okay. So some examples given over here, you can try it. Now types of straight lines. Now we are talking about straight lines. So straight lines can be drawn in different ways. One is horizontal line. Okay, these are horizontal lines. The second one is vertical lines, means standing lines. These are stepping lines, you can say, and these are standing lines. And the third one is slanting line, means tilt. थोड़ी सी tilt. These are slanting lines. Okay. Now exercise 8.2, question number 1. Complete the following sentences. A part, a circle has dash side and dash vertex. As I told you, a circle has no side, no vertex. B part, a triangle has 3 sides and how many vertices? 3 vertices. Okay. And the C part, all the sides of a square are dash equal. D part, the opposite sides of a dash are equal. किसकी opposite sides equal होती हैं? Rectangle की. Okay. Now E part, the sides of a dash may or may not be equal. Triangle में sides equal भी हो सकती हैं और equal नहीं भी हो सकती. Then F part, an oval has no dash and no dash means no side, no vertex. And the last one, a rectangle has dash sides and dash vertices. You know very well, a rectangle has 4 sides and 4 vertices. Okay. Now the second question, how many vertices does a square have? 4. Okay. Now the third one, can a square have 3 vertices? No. That would be a triangle. Okay. So now we are talking about 3D shapes. अब 3D में 2D में we were talking about length and breadth. Now we are talking about 3D means 3 dimensions. So 3-dimensional shape has 3 characteristics: length, breadth and height. Okay. So you can see some figures given over here. These are 3D shapes. So these are also called solid shapes. A solid shape has 3 parts. Now, an object that occupies space is called solid. जो कुछ space occupy करेगी object, उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? Solid, right? Now, we are talking about face. Face means the surface of a solid is called its face, right? The outside portion of a solid is called its surface. Means कोई भी object, 3D object का जो outside portion है, उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? Face, right? The surface of a solid is called its face, and edge, the side of a solid is called an edge, and the corner, the point where the edges meet is called the corner or vertex, as we have done in 2D shapes, right? Now properties of solid shapes. Now we are talking about some solid shape like this one. It is a cube. It is said to be a cube. It is made up of 6 square flat faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. You have seen an ice cube, okay, dice. That is what? That is what shape? That is a cube shape. और जब हम count करेंगे उसके faces को, that is 6. And edges, sides कितनी हो जाएंगी? These are the sides. These are 12. और corners कितने होंगे? Corners जहाँ पे sides meet कर रही है. देखो 4 corners you can see above and 4 corners you can see down. So 4 plus 4, 8 corners. Okay. Now the next one is a cuboid. Cuboid like this shape. You have seen cupboard, okay, and book. That is a cuboid shape. So cuboid is made up of 6 rectangular flat faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Same as cube. बस इन दोनों में difference क्या है? इसमें each face is a square shape and इसमें क्या है? Each face is a rectangle. इसमें length, breadth and height are different, but in cube we take length, breadth and height same. Okay, that is the difference. So a cuboid is made up of 6 rectangular faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Now we this shape like ball, sphere. So a sphere has one curved face, okay, and it has no edge and no vertex. जैसे सर्कल में कोई edge नहीं है, कोई vertex नहीं है, same sphere में no edge, no vertex. उसका जो surface है that is curved, okay, that is not plane. तो उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? A sphere has one curved face, right? Now you can see this figure, yellow one. This is a cone. Like you have seen birthday caps, ice cream cone. So a cone has one flat face and one curved face. It has one curved edge and one vertex. You can see this one is a flat and this one around this, that is a curve. So one flat surface and one curved face, right? And one vertex and one curved edge. Now the next one is a cylinder. You can see, you have seen cylinder at your home. So cylinder has two flat faces. These two are flat and one curved. जिसके चारों ओर है, that is one curved face. So it has two curved edges and no straight edge or a vertex. इसमें कोई corner नहीं है, कोई straight edge नहीं है. Okay, only two curved edges. So let's see once again. Plane and curved surfaces. Now they are explaining us what is plane and curved. I have given you a hint. Now we are talking about in detail. So let's see. Solids have two types of surfaces or faces: flat, plane and curved. अभी हम बात करते हैं flat face, curved face. So कोई भी एक solid object है, उसका या तो face flat होगा या curved होगा, right? So we are talking about first cuboid. A cuboid has 6 rectangular faces. These faces are plane. All its faces are flat and opposite faces are identical, means same. For example, a brick. आपने brick देखी होगी. Brick जो है वो cuboid shape है. उसके जो opposite faces हैं, those are same, right? Now we are talking about cube. A cube has 6 square faces. All its faces are flat and are identical. For example, a dice. आपने dice देखे, आपने खेला है, अभी भी आप खेलते हैं. तो dice में क्या होता है? 6 faces होते हैं. These are plane and these are same, identical. Now cone. A cone has 2 surfaces, one flat and one curved. For example, an ice cream cone. As I told you, like birthday cap. That is also a cone shape. तो आप देख सकते हैं. This is the flat surface and this is the curved one. Now this is cylinder. The next one. Now a cylinder has 3 surfaces, 2 flat and 1 curved surface. For example, a candle, a chalk. आपने candle shape देखी होगी, chalk की shape देखी होगी. So that is a cylindrical shape. So now the next one, sphere. A sphere has only one curved surface. For example, a ball. Okay, I hope it's clear to you. So let's see. Now there is one table given. It is showing edges, faces and vertices of 3D shape. So let's see. The first one is shape and the second column is number of faces, then number of sides, then number of vertices and then curved or flat. So see, the first one is cuboid. As I told you, a cuboid has 6 faces, 12 edges, 8 vertices and the faces are flat. Okay. The next one is cube. How many faces? 6 faces. Edges same 12, vertices 8 and all faces are flat. The next is cone. How many faces? 2. Edges 1 and vertices 1 and 1 curved and 1 flat. Now cylinder, how many faces? 3 faces, 2 edges, 0 vertex, no vertex and 2 flat faces and 1 curve, right? Now sphere has how many faces? 1, no side, number of sides 0, number of vertices 0 and shape of face, it is curve, right? So it's very easy and interesting. Now exercise 8.3. Solve the following riddles and name the shapes. A part. I have 6 faces, all of equal size and 8 vertices. I am a cube and the number of edges I have is 12. Okay. B part. I also have 6 faces but not of equal size. I have 12 edges. So I am a cuboid. I have how many vertices? 8 vertices. Now C part, 2 surfaces, 1 edge and 1 vertex make me. I am unique. So I am a cone, right? D part, the planet you live on looks like me. I am a sphere, right? The last one is E part. I have no vertices but 2 edges. I am an elongated shape with 3 faces. So I am a cylinder. In cylinder we have 3 faces. Okay. So the next is this a beautiful picture given over here. You can find out how many circles or triangle you can try this one on your own. Now MCQs we have some. So let's start. First one, a small dot made by a sharp pencil gives the idea of a point. Okay. So answer is C. The second one, which of the following figure has neither any vertices nor sides? So triangle has 3 sides, 3 vertices. Rectangle has 4 sides, 4 vertices. Circle has no side, no vertices. So answer is C. The third one, which of the following shapes has no curved surface? So cuboid has 6 flat surfaces. Cone has a curved face. Sphere has a curved face. So what is the answer? Answer is cuboid. So answer is A. The fourth one, a square has dashed edges. How many edges? 4. So answer is A. Last one, a square has 4 corners called vertices. So answer is B. Okay. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.